Welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube banner in Canva. So for this, I'm here on canva.com, and here in search bar, we need to search for YouTube banners. Here it will take few seconds and make sure that you are in template section. Now here you need to scroll down and choose the template that you like the most. Now here you need to remember one thing, that only this part will be shown in the banner section. So you need to work on this part. If I click on this template and scroll down, so you will find also different template related to the same one. Click on this customized template. Here it will take few seconds and a new tab will open. Now here you need to edit each and every part of this template. You can change the background color. Let's change it to this one. Okay, we will go with the mustard and black color. Okay, this part is done. Then we have the second one, and here you can change it to pure black like this. Now what we need to do is we need to work within this section. Now here you need to add your channel name here. Then you can add your name here. Then here you can add when you will upload your video. Then your social media accounts, and here you can add your photo. So I will add maybe this one. Click on edit, and here you need to remove the background. Here, and now the background is removed. Make sure to work within these two lines. Yes, and now you are good. In this way, you can create YouTube banner on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.